Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. And we are learning unit 6. Its title is Story of a Wheat Plant. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to describe a picture. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you how to describe a picture. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures. So our focus is a picture for today's lecture. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Ar-Rahman verse 54. They are reclining on beds whose linings are of silk, brocade, and the fruits of the two gardens is hanging low. Subhanallah. Yes, my dear children. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning, they are. Who they are? The people of Jannah who have worked hard in this life and they reached to Jannah. How will be they living there? They will be reclining, they will be resting on beds. And what type of beds they have? Their lining is of silk and brocade. But both are very nice and expensive cloth in this world. But in Jannah it's for free. And the fruit of two gardens are hanging low. They're so low they can pick it and they can eat. Subhanallah. So how nicely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described the people of Jannah, how they'll be enjoying over there. So the message of this verse is we should work hard in this life to reach to Jannah, inshallah. And we are learning how to describe something, how nicely. You see, by reading, it is giving us a picture how it would be over there in Jannah, right? So better, this is how we should learn to describe things. We have already learned few things. So first you tell me, what are describing words or adjectives? Do you remember? And how will you describe the door of your classroom? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could mention properly that describing words, adjectives, are the words used to describe or give more information about a noun. And what is a noun? Everything around us which we can hold, feel, touch or see has a name, that is noun. And the word which adds its information or describes is describing word or adjective, right? Then I ask you, how would you describe your classroom door? For example, this is the picture of your classroom door. How will you start describing what is its color? It's brown. Is it made of iron or it's wooden one? It's a wooden door, or it's a new door and it's a heavy door. So this is how all the words, the way you describe your classroom door, by looking at that, you kept on telling about it. This is how we can describe something. And how do we describe in sentences? It is a prayer mat. Its color is blue and beige. It is a soft mat. It is a beautiful mat. So all the sentences which we are telling, we are using to describe this picture, describe this thing, are by using describing words. This is how we can describe something. This is how we can describe a picture, right? Okay. So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in 5 groups and teacher will assign one thing to each group for description. Okay. For example, to one group, teacher can ask to describe book, a classroom or board or whatever. Each group will describe the given object or person or place. Okay, so let's see who describes in a best way. So pause the video, and every one of you is going to participate, right? Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you have used very nice adjectives to describe the assigned task. All right, so let's practice it from your book. Look at the given picture and describe in 5 sentences in your notes. You just have to write 5 sentences. Look at the picture, first describe it. Maybe teacher, you can take the oral feedback from students and then make them to write in their notebooks. Pause the video, complete this work in your notebook, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences to describe your house. Everyone. So you will write 5 sentences about your house. And I'm giving you a worksheet again, my fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will look at this picture and you will write 5 sentences to describe it. Okay. So what we have learned today, we learned that describing words, adjectives, are the words used to describe or give more information about a noun. We learned to describe different things, and we practiced to describe pictures. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to write a few sentences to describe a picture. A series of pictures we'll do some other day. So today we described a picture. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.